Alright, let's go! Another day, another Pokemon Gundam pack opening. Starting off today is Ascended Heroes. Let's see what we get today, guys. Starting off is Electric Energy, Glass Trumpet, Himmeltop, Layers Rufflet, Dynamo, Weavile, Fighting Gong, Galarian Obstagoon, Reverse Hollow Lunalite, Reverse Hollow Erica Tingler. Oh, another Team Rocket Kangaskhan EX. Nice. Now onto Gundam Steel Requiem. Starting off is Gundam Heavy Custom, Reddish, Human Karma, Doriti, Full Armor Unicorn Gundam Unicorn Mode, Messala MA Mode, Gundam Versago, Gundam Estron, Christina Mackenzie, Eliminate Target, MAV Tactic, Guai's Commander Type, Eternal, and Gundam. Oh man, Gruesome Rebuck Resource. There we go. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this Pokemon Gundam pack opening. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.